This sweet and tart homemade raspberry sauce is incredibly versatile and easy to make. It is perfect to add to cheesecakes, yogurts, ice cream, and so many other things. You can also make this recipe with fresh or frozen raspberries. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a saucepan on medium heat, add fresh or frozen raspberries. And then add granulated sugar, water, cornstarch, and fresh lemon juice. Stir together and bring to a boil. If you are using frozen raspberries, make sure they are completely thawed before adding them to the saucepan. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook the sauce for 10 minutes until the raspberries are completely broken down and the sauce has a shiny consistency. Add the vanilla extract and turn the heat off. If the sauce is not sweet enough, add in more granulated sugar. Add a mesh strainer over a medium bowl and carefully pour the raspberry sauce into the strainer. Using a spatula or a spoon, gently press the sauce through the mesh strainer to get the sauce into the bowl until all that is left in the strainer is a paste with seeds. This recipe will make 1 cup of raspberry sauce. Let this raspberry sauce cool completely in the refrigerator before adding it onto anything. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.